me unwalled to the halls of power. Imran Khan rose, it's his finest hour. A cricketer turned leader, a man on a mission, bringing hope to the nation with his clear vision. With the bat in his hand, he conquered the field. Now he stands with the people, Pakistan's shield. Champion of the World Cup, a hero so true. Now he's leading the way with a vision anew. Imran Khan, you're the voice of the nation, bringing change, hope and inspiration. From the pitch to the parliament, you've always been strong, leading Pakistan, righting every wrong. Builds a university, for the future he fights. In Shaka Khan's halls, he brings new lights. Standing tall against corruption, no bribes, no deals, for the better tomorrow. His passion reveals, with his charisma and strength, he's the people's choice, giving power to the voiceless. They now rejoice in justice and poverty. He's here to defeat. With every step he takes, he makes history complete. Imran Khan, you're the voice of the nation, bringing change, hope and inspiration. From the pitch to the parliament, you've always been strong, leading Pakistan, righting every wrong. In the face of adversity, he never backs down, wearing the captain's cap, and now the leader's crown. From the cricket ground to the political stage, Imran Khan leads us, turning a new page. Imran Khan, you're the voice